Hi, vibecoders. So today I would like to show you a tool that I recently discovered that helped me solve a particular problem for me. It's an MCP server called Shrimp Task Manager, and it's very similar to the Taskmaster AI that was pretty hyped recently in the YouTube AI coding sphere. Don't get me wrong, Taskmaster AI is great and I was using it myself, but then for whatever reason it stopped working for me, and basically nothing I've done helped me troubleshoot the problems. I don't want to get into it, but it just stops when he creates tasks and I can't work on it. Maybe it's just a Windsurf issue, but it doesn't work for me. So needless to say, I was in the market for a new task manager. And I found one. Basically, I went on Smidy, where, let me just open up. Okay. So basically, I went to Smidy, where you can find all sorts of MCPs, and basically in the featured section I got this Shrimp Task Manager, and it has pretty much all the tools like Taskmaster AI, and as all Smidy MCPs, it's quite easy to install. It's worth noting that Shrimp has just a bit just like 11 or I don't know how many 14 tools, which is a lot less than Taskmaster. I think Taskmaster had like 25 tools or something, which is not really of any issue if you are using any other IDE, but in Windsurf you are limited in the number of tools that you can use, so bear that in mind. Installing is very simple. You can just copy and paste the JSON schema, or you can use the install function, automatic install function. I will show you how to do that in Windsurf, but it's basically the same in any other AI coding tools. So you just pick auto, click on the AI IDE of your choice, select personal here or create another profile, and decide where you are going to store your data for tasks. And that's the main difference between a Taskmaster AI and Shrimp. Shrimp has a dedicated place where it stores tasks, while Taskmaster AI creates tasks in a project directory. So basically you need to click on the connect button and just copy the command it gives you. That's about it. You can open your Windsurf terminal and paste it in here and run, and it's gonna install itself in your configuration folder. So just to show you how everything works, I'm gonna give it a simple task. So I just gave ChatGPT an instruction to create a simple to-do app, and I'm not even gonna read it, I'm just gonna copy and paste it, and I hope this is gonna work out of the box. Yeah, so what we are going to do is create this simple to-do app for me using prd.md, which is this file. use MCP Shrimp Task Manager to split it in tasks. So use MCP Shrimp Manager to split it in manageable tasks. I'm just gonna press send, and I'm gonna pause it and come back when it's done, so that I can show you. Okay, so the apps is basically done, and it took only around 30 minutes to do so. The only step left is to test it out, and okay, let's just see. So this is it. It's very nice stylized app, although basic. So basically it requires testing from our side. Let's just test it out quickly. Task 1, add, task 2, add. It's quite alright. If I mark it, it's strike through. I can uncheck it again, I can delete it. There is a message that there are no tasks yet. So yeah, let's just test the storage. If I, yeah, the local storage also works fine. Okay, so the app works, and let me just show you the file that Shrimp MCP made. So like I told you, it's a bit different than Taskmaster AI in a sense that it has a dedicated storage for tasks. So this is the current active task, and when I create a new one, it adds the active one to the memory folder. And these are the tasks from other applications that I did before. So yeah, this is the active tasks file, and it's not really that clear. It's not numbered like task 1, task 2, so it's a bit harder to read, but nevertheless it's all in one file. There were 5 tasks here. For instance, this is the first one. Yeah, it just doesn't say first. It just gives it a name and an ID. So this is the first one, initialize Next.js project and configure Tailwind CSS. So this is the second one. You just have to find another ID tag. This is the implement tasks state management and local storage persistence. So the next one was create UI components for tasks input and task list display. This is the next one. Integrate all components and apply final styling. And the fifth one, perform manual testing and final build verification. And that's it. So when you get used to it, it's not that hard to read through these tasks, but Taskmaster does keep it a bit more clear which task is which. Yeah, so basically that's it. Let's just see testing complete, no issues, and let it finalize the project. It took about half an hour on Gemini 2.5 Pro. He wants to continue with the application, but it's not really necessary for this. We can now iterate, create more tasks. For instance, I would like to be able to move the tasks around, maybe display it a bit differently, but that's not the scope of this video. Yeah, so if you are like me and have troubles with Taskmaster AI, or if you just need a bit more space for other MCP tools, give this one a try, and it's pretty automatic. In a whole conversation, I don't believe that I gave it any input other than continue on the next task. Yeah, there is nothing. Yeah, so anyway, if you are interested, I'm gonna link this task manager in the description, and give it a try. You might like it more than Taskmaster. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one.